Lease incentives and initial direct costs. A lease incentive is anything that encourages the lessee to sign the lease, but also has a change in cash flow from the lessor directly to the lessee or from the lessor to a third party on behalf of the lessee. The most common form of this within a real estate lease is a tenant improvement allowance. However, it can also be coming in the form of the lessor paying for the lessee's moving expenses or even buying them out of their original contract. What it does not include is a rent abatement or free rent period. While that certainly encourages the lessee to sign the lease, there is no exchange of cash flow between the lessor and the lessee. Therefore, that would not be considered a lease incentive. An initial direct costs are any incremental cost of the lease that would not have been incurred had the lease not been executed. A great example of this is a broker commission on an executed lease, because that broker is not making a dime unless that lease is executed. One thing to note here is this definition has changed slightly from 840. 840 allowed other types of expenses to be considered an initial direct cost. For instance, legal fees incurred to review draft lease documents could have been considered an initial direct cost. However, under this definition, I'm pretty sure that legal attorney is going to get paid regardless of whether or not that lease gets signed. So I highly doubt those types of expenses will be considered an initial direct cost going forward.